With the rise of online education and distance learning, students can now pursue Bachelor of Computer Applications (BCA), Master of Computer Applications (MCA), and Bachelor of Science in Information Technology (BSc IT) without attending traditional on-campus classes. These programs provide flexibility while preparing students for careers in software development, cybersecurity, data science, artificial intelligence, and IT management. Career opportunities after BCA: software developer, web developer, app developer, full stack developer, cybersecurity expert, ethical hacker, security analyst, data science and AI, data analyst, AI, milliliter engineer. Its support in networking, system administrator, network engineer, freelancing and startups, web development, consultancy, entrepreneurship. Career opportunities after MCA: software engineering, software developer, systems architect, data science and AI, machine learning engineer, data scientist, cloud computing and DevOps, AWS engineer, DevOps architect, cybersecurity and ethical hacking, cybersecurity analyst, ethical hacker, management, consultant, project manager.